let's get to this delicious, simple, and super satisfying pasta recipe that you can make in your own home if you're missing Spain. So, to a medium-sized skillet or a large skillet, we're going to add 12 vegan sausages of choice. I chose these wonderful sausages that they sell at Lidl, a German grocery store here in Seville. Nice little chain. And we're going to add some smoked paprika and anise seed or fennel seed. These spices are so wonderful together. I wish we used them more in US cooking. They provide a really nice smoky flavor to foods that may not have it. So, combine everything really nicely with a wooden spatula or spoon and make sure everything gets really nice and toasted. Now you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of high quality olive oil to really fry and have those spices come to life. But if you're avoiding oil, have no fear to just toss in the spices with the sausages as is. Set those aside while we work on the pasta. We're using whole grain pasta, some store-bought vegan pesto, onions, cherry tomatoes, etc. But these ingredients, you can opt to use different ones if you prefer, if you don't have them on hand. First step is to make the pasta according to the instructions. I made quite a bit because I always cook for meal prep. And to that same medium skillet we used for the vegan sausages, we're going to combine and heat up some garlic, onions, and cherry tomatoes to make sure to have a really nice base for the sauce. Once everything gets really nice and cooked down, we're going to add a can of diced tomatoes in addition to 8 ounces of red vegan pesto. This one was made with a combination of red bell pepper, cashews, a bit of olive oil. Really nice. I will leave it in the description for those of you who may be interested and have Lidl readily available to you. Add 3 to 4 cups of fresh or frozen greens of choice. I chose some frozen arugula and also some fresh spinach, and you want it to cook down so the greens get really nice and wilted. Once the pasta has been drained, add all of your pasta sauce to your pasta in a large bowl or in the same pot and combine until perfectly mixed together and the sauce has been evenly distributed really well. Now to serve it up, it's super simple. Serve some pasta, serve some vegan chorizo sausage, and enjoy. This recipe comes together in like 30 minutes, and I really hope you enjoy this one. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe for daily shorts and videos every Friday. See you next time.